Good afternoon on what is a cool, bright but cloudy day. It is Tuesday the 17th of February and I'm in the reading up with a nice hot cup of tea and a package to unbox. There we go. Slide that out. A little bit worse for the wear at the top there, but this is The Persian by David McCloskey, signed by the author, and it's interesting about this is that he is the co-presenter of a podcast called The Rest is Espionage, and has a background in espionage himself. So, The Persian takes readers deep into the shadow war between Iran and Israel, delivering propulsive storytelling and riveting tradecraft. Kamran Esahani, a Persian Jewish dentist from Stockholm, dreams of starting afresh in California. To finance his new life, he agrees to spy for Mossad in Iran, working with a clandestine unit tasked with sowing chaos and sabotage inside the country. When he's captured by Iranian security forces, Kamran is compelled to confess his experiences as a spy in a testimonial dealing not only with the security of nations, but also with revenge, deceit, and the power of love and forgiveness in a world of lies. List of books by the author previously, which are on my... I read the first one and enjoyed it. I'm trying to find time to read the next ones. We've got here a map of Tehran, which is where the action is going to take place. Prologue. And again, we get even into the action with essentially an interrogation, and with essentially the location blacked out. And there are interesting points in here, just looking through here later on. For example, we get to the end of, let's have a look. End of chapter 35, which takes place in Istanbul, so away from, so a bit away from the conflict, and you have this note here separating the two sections of the book, and a translation there on the other side. So nothing else interesting, quite like, well, yes there is, essentially there are further comments. So this is adding a little bit of verisimilitude to the book. We actually just even have, just flipping through, trying to look for things of interest in here. Right, a very truncated chapter there before we come to the end of the book. And you've got the acknowledgements, and that's it really. And you've got the author's own blurb there, basically a biography essentially. There's the fact he's a former CIA analyst, which basically qualifies him to essentially be on the podcast. The Rest is Espionage, and write novels about espionage, such as The Persian. So I do hope you enjoyed this unboxing in the Nook. If you did, then please do click on the like button down below. And of course, if you've got any comments or feedback, I do appreciate you taking the time to post those. And lastly, if you want to be alerted to get more unboxings in the Nook, where you'll see me out here with, typically, with a box, in this case, package, which I will from which I will typically unbox a role-playing game, role-playing supplement, role-playing scenario. In this case, the latest book by David McCloskey, an espionage novel, and talk about it to the best extent of my knowledge for roughly 10 minutes or so, all of course accompanied by a nice hot cup of tea. Then please do click on the subscribe button down below. Thanks again for watching and unboxing in the Nook. I'll be back again soon with another one. Bye for now.